while remounting or mounting some new insects to my collection. I had to make a repair to this bug. His butt fell off. It gives us a chance to take a look at how these specimens dry out over a period of time. So this guy's been pinned up for maybe almost a year. So the preservation process is completely finished for him. Unfortunately, he lost that back leg. He lost that in the I think he was already missing the leg when I caught him, actually. We caught him out in the desert, Al-Qwa Desert in Abu Dhabi. It was pretty surprising because I'd never seen one of these before. Beautiful, huh? Look at that. It's so cool to have the chance to just examine these critters up close in a way that we normally wouldn't be able to. Anyway. And he's going back where he belongs there. This is the new one, this dragonfly back here. We caught that at the zoo, at the Al Ain Zoo. It was buzzing around in a little river creek pond, I guess a pond you call it, the way dragonflies typically do. That's still one of my favorite catches. Beautiful camel spider. We caught that in Oman. Gorgeous. So cool. And then this beast back here, we also caught this in Abu Dhabi, Al-Qwa. It's a big camel spider. It's not fully grown. They do get bigger than this, but that's a pretty big one, actually. A lot of fun to catch these guys. They're very aggressive and very active. They fight. They don't want to be caught. They don't give up. They keep fighting the whole time. Anyway. And it's fun to even just pin these common insects. You know, this is a particularly large ant that actually we found in the desert in Oman. And it's just so big. It's a huge ant. And then this is a fly. I was waiting to get my hands on the biggest fly I could catch. I caught this at work here in Abu Dhabi. When I saw it buzzing around the office, it's like, I want it. And it was not easy to pin. They're so small, and I managed to get his wings open. And it came out so perfect. I mean, this thing looks like it could just start flying away right now. Anyway, I got a moth ready to pin. Unfortunately, all my shadow boxes are all full, and I've got a couple of more insects drying, so time to start a new box. But I just thought I'd make a little video of this guy. You don't usually get to see these guys upside down. I do need to get a better video, a bit better camera, but look at the serrations on his arms. You can see how when he grabs something, how effective the clamps are on those arms. That's it.